Are you tired of juggling multiple SPF records? Struggling with tedious configurations and persistent errors? Introducing EasySPF, the ultimate solution to simplify SPF setup and management. Set up your SPF record once and manage it effortlessly. Add new sources with a user-friendly interface. Eliminate endless DNS back and forth. With EasySPF, you can solve the dreaded DNS lookup limitations. Say goodbye to configurations errors. Our streamlined process prevents mistakes. And you don't even need to know any syntax. Unique to EasySPF is our dynamic SPF flattening algorithm. It ensures your records are always current, turning includes into IP addresses efficiently. Take the hassle out of SPF management today. Try EasySPF and experience automated, precise, and productive email configurations. Visit our website now, and start your journey towards flawless SPF management with EasySPF.